Firstly, I placed a blackboard on the table, which will later be my photo's background. Then I chose the color papers that I like to use for the illusion effect. I used two color combination, and placed them on top of the blackboard. Bottom one at 90° angle and the top one at 45° angle, joining at the corner. Choose any subject that you like to shoot, and place it at the edge. It is best to choose a subject that is non-reflective, because for this shot, a harsh light will be used to point directly onto the subject. Godox SL60W Video Light was placed on the right side of the subject, at an angle of 45° down. Adjust the light's direction, to get the angle of the shadow that you want. I'm using my Canon 5D Mark IV, with the Tamron 90mm macro lens. I set my aperture at f8, ISO 800, and the shutter speed at 1/125 of a second, with the light at 100% power.